Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a set of Earth spell animations by Pimin, an MV and MZ plugin by Panda that gives us more control over setting multiple actions for enemies, an MZ plugin by Axel Fuel that can version our game and force cache to be overridden when playing a newer version, another MZ plugin by Blue Moon that allows us to set up an enemy leader mechanic. When an enemy leader is defeated, the battle ends in an Insta-win, regardless of other enemies left. Next, we have a tool by Orochi2K for folks who have their game published on Steam. This tool can fetch us data on how far into the search results our game is and what page it's on in a particular tag, so we know how our game is performing on Steam. A toolset of some storage containers by Gothic Void, and Starland Tiles by Coco Reflections. Lastly, an article tutorial by Avery on how to make custom grass auto tile from scratch. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.